What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today, I am here with...
What's up? I'm his cousin.
my Mr. Cousin. Wait, why did I say Mr.? Okay, so we're going to play Trollface Quest. Looks like we're starting off with this. Really? Dang, son. What did I tap again? Hey, let's go poop. Next level.
I'm gonna start on my YouTube video.
Just try to stay quiet here. So just gotta talk for a I think what I saw in the video, you have to tap somewhere. Oh wait, reverse pinch. Oh, that's how you fail. I forgot how you do this. Okay, do we tap the sign or do we pinch? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try something. And pinch, pinch, pinch. Can we reverse pinch again? No. This one's hard. Let's go like that. Obviously, to open it.
Wait, do we have to go?
Do we tap her somewhere? Do we tap something? Do we tap the pole or something? Do we tap the ground somewhere? This game is all about like taps and swipes and reverse and swipes and stuff.
His
Swipe
bottom
down.
of his phone don't work.
Yeah, the bottom of my phone doesn't work very well, so. I mean, it works. Can we
Not very well
reverse
though.
Okay, obviously reverse pinch. Wait, does regular pinch work? Obviously, open that up. No, huh?
Sam, it won't work.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I had to help my cousin. How do we do this one, huh?
Right.
Pinch, pinch. You know what? I'm gonna have to use a hint.
Well, what's up, guys? I'm here with
Hello.
cousin. Sam, go back to the first one. There's a poo up there.
Okay. Before I do the next one, look at this. Yeet. Get wrecked, alligator. Just look at this. Craig, look at this. Yeet. Get wrecked. Hey, okay, guys, my cousin just told me about about one of the things on the first level. It's poop right there. I didn't think you could actually take that off. Might as well just do this. Bam and bam. Get wrecked. Go poop.
I'm stuck on the first
Okay,
one.
now we're going to go level select, and we're going to go on to the third level.
Oh. Get right.
I might have to turn this one up a little bit. Okay. Turn this up a little bit.
I want the second one first.
Do we... So you have to pick the phone up. Reverse pinch. Wait, what? How did you get to this level so fast? Oh, yeah, because I told you about the second level. Reverse pinch, pinch. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Okay. Oh, I think I know what to do. So you know how the plug is showing down there?
You answer it?
No, you don't. You just unplug it straight away.
I accidentally
Get wrecked.
I accidentally used one of my hints.
Oh, do we just have to wait?
You tap on it.
Oh, yay, we win.
Oh, what the heck? I need to go back a level. See if there's any poop. Any poops? Any poops?
Don't look like it.
Might as well just beat you real quick.
Oh, okay. So next level. Weird. What the? No, 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 no. Okay. Battle.
Oh, I know what you did wrong. Press it. What's it? How did you do that last time?
You start tap and then maybe reverse. No. Wait. You have to wait? Restart. Maybe you. Wait. I tapped him. And tap him. There we go. And then. What? Farted! Wait! Yes!
How'd you do that?
Yes! I did it!
I'm gonna use a hint.
I know how to do it.
So you have to tap him in the head. Oh, I keep accidentally pressing hints. So I only got to read it up.
Angry Birds Evolution. Who's in your flock?
He goes crazy, and then he farts out his butt, and then you win.
Why is some reason that looks like Doge?
Hmm.
Ew.
Do we swap it into it? Whoa, what do we do? Oh, there it is. There it is. Yup. That was the most random thing ever. Okay, I'm going to restart because I think there's a poop on this level. There's poop somewhere. I know there is. Green poop.
It's not green, that's golden.
It looks green. Okay, back let's beat it again. Okay, next level. Here we go. Do we reverse this?
That's Doge.
Who's gonna go first? What was that? Okay. There has to be a poop somewhere on this level. Poop on someone's head? No, maybe not any poop on this level. No.
I don't get this level. How do you get this? Oh, yeah. You put them down.
So table. Okay, fight. Go.
Only 3 goes.
What the? Okay. So do we tap once and then go? No. Oh, there it is. No, I don't want no Minecraft. Throw it and then tap it. What? Flash Matrix stuff. Like, what? Sorry about this. This video is going to be about 14 minutes long, so...
Yes, because I can only do it for 15.
We both only can. Ah! Okay, this might be a little. That might have been a little violent for my channel, but really, doesn't really matter.
I have no subscribers. Please subscribe to me. The only like that I got, it was from myself. Sam don't even follow me.
Yeah. Finally. Okay, I got that.
I'm gonna show you something on TikTok on Sam.
Hey, look, the boots! No! What are those? No. No ads versus two. What kind of? Okay, I can't lie, that was really, really funny.
Look, what is that little up signal on my sniper?
What?
Look up here, and you see that little up signal? What is that? I got it on it.
I haven't gotten it. Okay, I'm gonna have to use a hint. Like, what? Wait. Dang! That's a savage alarm clock.
This is YouTube.
Joyce, what? Did you guys see that leg? Hold on.
Maybe south.
What? Ready? So we're gonna click it all the way to the end. And does the doggy come in? Hold on, right before we do that. Now, do we swipe somewhere? Hold on. I feel like there's a poop on this level. Yep, there it is. Slender poop.
Oh, my phone.
was a slender
dying,
poop.
kids.
It was a slender poop.
I'm your dad. Alright, I'm gonna end my video here.
Guys, I'm so sorry, but this video is gonna have to end right here. I'm sorry, I cannot figure this one out. I will try to figure it out in my spare time. I'm gonna do it for a video, and yeah, see you guys later. Peace.